The Indian Ministry of External Affairs on Tuesday has expressed deep concern over the arrest and the denial of bail to Chinmoy Krishna Das. The Ministry of External Affairs said that the incident follows the multiple attacks on Hindus and other minorities by extremist elements in Bangladesh. It added that it is unfortunate that while the perpetrators of these incidents remain at large, charges have been pressed against a religious leader presenting legitimate demands through peaceful gatherings. India also notes with concern the attacks on minorities protesting peacefully against the arrest of Das. And Meghna Dev is now joining us with more on this story. Well, Meghna, can you unpack, the MEA's reaction for us?
Yes, Mark, this reaction comes after there was a social media post on X by ISKCON wherein they said they had asked the Indian government to intervene because of the arrest of Chinmoy Das Brahmachari. And now what important is that time and again there has been a lot of attacks, in the recent past on Hindu minorities as well as the places of religious belief. So this is something that the MEA has been constantly monitoring, and when there have been, if we actually see Chinmoy Das Brahmachari was carrying out peaceful protests, and there were a number of rallies that he had been carrying out at different places for the protection of minorities and other devotees. He has been, actually, if we see the reports, he has been arrested by the detective branch of the Dhaka Metropolitan Police. So what we definitely see is that, and he has also been denied bail. That's what has been said, that he has been arrested and he has been denied bail. Now, the ISKCON post on social media also states that, he has been, the charges that have been pressed against him is somewhat related to terrorism, in different parts of the world. So this is something that the ISKCON, the actual group, the organization has called it baseless. And what we also definitely see here is that the Ministry of External Affairs has very strongly reacted not only to this but to the kind of attacks, and we can say attacks that religious minorities are facing in Bangladesh.
Okay, we leave it there. Thank you very much, Meghna Dev, reporting on this update from the Ministry of External Affairs.